How's it going, everybody? Glad 1989 back with you. It is time for another hotel room tour. Actually, it is a redo of a place I stayed at before. I'm at the Super 8 in Redmond, Oregon. I was back here in 2012 when I did my very first hotel room tour, and I came back to find out if it's improved. Well, we're going to go into my room, and here it is. It is room 205. And as you can tell, it's the same kind of lock that was in my previous video, and I will put a link down in the description so you can see it. Let's go inside and see how much has changed. As you enter, it's still the same size room with some things that are the same and some things that have changed. And you can tell, I'm sorry, it's very dark in here. Let me turn on the light here in the bathroom. We'll check this out later. It's a little bit better. Now, security, you actually have an old-fashioned chain lock. You have the deadbolt. You have the peephole. We also have the clearly readable fire map, and it's just one long hallway. So far, so good in the security department. Well, why not we check out the bathroom right now? We have the standard hotel sink. A lot of pressure in there. Yeah, some different amenities than before. The tissues. We've got the hair dryer. And here's that handsome guy once again. Hi there. And we have a no-name commode. And of course, being this channel, we always got to show the flush. Here we go, telefans. I gotta say, that's not too bad. Here's the shower, and of course we have the arch shower rod like always. We happen to have Moen fixtures. Not too bad. A little leaking. And the shower head still has some pretty good pressure. Cut this off. Pretty interesting shower. And of course, we've got the towels. Well, let's step in and check out the rest of the room. There's the most important part, as always. It's the bed. We've got the queen size bed with 3 very nice pillows. And we got, let's see, looks like we have a little bit of a stain there. Let's check out the rest of this, see how clean it really is. Got mattress topper. No way I can see it's not too bad. How about underneath? From what I can see, we still got a pretty nice, bed. I think that's probably a permanent stain. So not too bad. I think I could sleep in this. We've got a microwave, and you can see it's pretty clean in there. Here's the fridge. Yeah, I could use a little bit of a defrost in the back, but it's not too bad. And here's something that has changed. The first time I was here, we had the old style analog TV. Now they've gone with an RCA digital TV, and as always, I will not turn it on due to copyright reasons, but you already know that. We have the coffee station. Yes, they still have real mugs, but they also provide disposable cups, so you have your choice. And plenty of coffee. Continuing over here, we've got the desk. And by the way, I haven't even set up anything. I just arrived. We've got the plugs. I think it's an LED bulb in that lamp. And they changed out the chair. I like this office style chair. And they changed out the phone. It's a little more modern than the first time I was here. And as always, what hotel tour of mine would be complete without the good book? The standard open air closet. We've got the luggage rack and an old style safe that you operate with a key. Here's the heating and cooling unit. I don't think they changed these out. When I came in, it was on fan. It still works pretty well. Now, the curtain is operated by the old-fashioned drawstring, and just arrived before it got completely dark. And it's not too bad of seeing it night and also during the day. Here's a table with a couple of chairs you can eat. And of course, your small but very useful alarm clock. And I'll come back around and take one more look from the back. Lest we forget, we don't want to forget the drawers. You got a couple of them here. So if you're staying for like 2 or 3 nights, you got plenty of space. Well, what do y'all think? I will give it up to the Super 8. They have done some nice modifications since the last time I was out here. And I got this room for about $69 a night, which in 2021 is not too bad of a bargain. Well, everybody, this does conclude my hotel room tour. I do hope you liked it. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and remember, you can do all things.